If you're watching this video right now, you're either broke, don't know how to save money, or just overall financially irresponsible. And that's perfectly not okay. But in today's video, we're going to be learning about some clever ways you can learn to save some money so that later on in life, you don't got to worry about much without having to sacrifice the better things in life. You feel me? So yeah, stay tuned. Now, before anything, I'm not finna sit here and feed you all that extra BS. We just gonna get straight into it, man. So, one of the biggest, when I say biggest helps I found when it comes to saving money and actually having money that's saved without you having to touch it is leave that savings account alone and save in cash. No, like actually saving cash. Like, F that APR stuff, F all that, F that interest. You don't got to worry about that right now. You're broke. Bro. Every time you're saving money, go to the bank. When that check hits, if that check is $1,000 that week, go straight to the bank, withdraw at least half of it, at least. Take out that 500, put it in a shoebox, put it in a separate wallet that you don't leave the house with. That wallet does not leave the house, and lock it up somewhere, man. That will prevent you from spending that money, because it's so easy just to move money out of a savings account just into your checkings account. Let's be honest, it's a push of a doop. Oops, am I checking now? Need it. I really need it, right? When you really don't. But when you take that money out in cold hard cash and you see it in your hands and it's put away, it's psychologically harder for you to let go of that money, because it's not just $20. It's $20 that I saved. You feel me? Yeah, so saving in cash could save you a lot of money down the road. So yeah, every time that paycheck hits, whether it's $1,000, $2,000, take at least half of it out in cash, put it in a different wallet, a shoebox, somewhere that's not easily accessible to you, and put it away. Because leaving it in your savings account is nothing but tempting for you to move it into your checking. It's easy to swipe a card. It's easy to move money around. Just leave it in cash. Anyway, 9 times out of 10, your bank gonna charge you to put it back on your card anyway. So, hey, you already saved it, you saved it, man. Now, tip number two. Tip number two is something that's simple, but overall, it adds up over time, man. If you're having trouble saving money, 9 times out of 10, one, it's either you're just financially irresponsible, or two, you're not making enough money to actually save. And what I mean by that, I'm not saying that, oh, I gotta work a lot more hours. I'm just saying, like, the lifestyle you live exceeds the income that you bring in. So your income's here, your lifestyle's here. You need to get your lifestyle here so that your income is like about twice your lifestyle, so you can actually save that other half. You feel me? And not have to live check to check. Because who want to do that, man? So one simple way you can learn how to save is just lowering your life, like your cost of living. So maybe that Starbucks coffee, that's, I don't know, I don't drink Starbucks, probably like $5 to $6 a morning. Maybe you don't need that every morning. Maybe like treat yourself to it. Maybe once a week. Maybe start making coffee at home. Maybe instead of eating out all the time on your break, you could pack a lunch, cook at the crib and bring it to work. It saves you some money, because them $10 meals over what is the average of 5-day work period is $50 a week. In a month, that's $200. Like, at the very least, that's $200. Plus the coffee, that's about $250, two something, man, two something. But you spend $200 on just eating on your break. That's money that could be saved. That's money that could be put towards better things. That's money that could be used to invest within you. So the easy tip to do that is just to cut all that BS out, man. You don't need to be eating out on your break all the time. Bring a snack, pack a lunch, man. You have to discipline your mind. Saving is a discipline thing. And why people can't save is because you have a lack of discipline. That's why you are financially irresponsible right now. And I'm being straight real with you, man. That's why we're here today. Tip number 3, something that's going to throw y'all off a little. Learn to be broke. This goes along with cost of living. This goes along with all that. But just learn to be broke. Now, I know you're thinking, Mike, I came here not to be broke. Did I ask? No, you have to be broke. Like, you have to learn to be broke. Even when money's coming in, you have to learn to not, like, okay, I'm making a whole lot of money now. I can spend a whole lot of money. Don't up your cost of living. Don't up your lifestyle. Don't up none of that. Don't start buying stuff. Don't start thinking bigger than what you are right now. Invest in yourself, for sure. That's what you should be saving up for. You should be saving up to invest in yourself, but don't save up to like throw it into unnecessary things, is what I should say. Unnecessary niches, unnecessary buckets. Throw it into simple stuff. So, you know, maybe you're saving up for a camera to start a YouTube channel. That's something to save up for. But don't be like, I'm saving up 5 bands to go day trade with, you feel me? I mean, you can, but right now, I wouldn't say you're financially stable enough to be doing that, because especially when it comes to something like day trading, it has to be money you're willing to lose. Just learn to be broke. Learn to be broke, man. Put your money into things that invest in yourself so that you can produce money. You feel me? Like a camera, a monitor, a car, a crib, you know, stuff like that. Stuff that can help you as of right now. And maybe when you start making $10,000 a month, $12,000, $50,000 a month, then you can day trade. You feel me? Because you have money to lose. You know, but yeah, those are 3 easy, simple, clever ways you can learn to save a whole bunch of money. You could probably save up to like 10,000 using these methods, man. And I'm keeping it 100% real with y'all. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, guys. It's your boy Icy Mike, man. Don't forget to like, comment down below, you feel me? Let me know if y'all mess with videos like these. I'll give y'all some more tips, man, you feel me? I love helping out the community, spend y'all some gains, y'all could go home, make some money too. Remember, always invest in yourself, business away out of being check to check. Myself, man, hope I enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content, and we're dropping something pretty nice after this video. So yeah, y'all stay tuned though, and Icy Mike, we out.